Alright, Maximum Shutters 2013 Marietta project in Lighthouse Point, Florida. Roll shutter project. 10 roll shutters going in. There's some boxes. That'd be going up there. 2 locations up top. Just completed all the impact windows in this house. And let's go check out the project setup. Got some stray rollers out here that we'll be getting ready to go in. And here is some of the material and setup for this project. What's that? 1500 series roller star product. Setting up tubes, box beams, tubes, and the guys are getting ready to protect that door. A couple doors down here, a couple doors up there, hard to see. These are the shutters we did initially. Get a better look of that when we go around. Going to be protecting this door. Again, we did these initially. Now our client wants to protect the whole house, so that's what we're doing. We got one going around on that side, one going up here. Now it's going to be hard to see. So, and we'll take a look back around. So, project video for Holly, last name, Marietta, Lighthouse Point, Florida. Installation, manufacture, and engineering on this job. Once again, Maximum Shutters 2013 roll shutter project, 10 roll shutters motorized with remotes.